friends. And when he found out that I was working in the car, he said, I'll call him for you. I thought nothing of it. I called him again, and he's like, I'm gonna call Timmy right now. So he calls him, and the first thing he says to me is, thank you, you changed me and my family's life. I was like, how? You know?
Yeah, I mean, that was a big record when it first came out. That was well. And obviously he had to work.
Oh, good.
So, there's only one way to find out, really. Because it's not really a straight shot, it's not really a straight cut, so.
You just have to try it.
How about I just should simply go. It's 21 and a bit. 21 and a quarter. I think I can get it in there, but it's just, again, it's kind of narrow.
Yeah.
It's kind of wider at the top and it gets narrow a bit and then it gets wider again. But
I see.
I can't, I think I'll just go for it.
And that there are some sizable challenges ahead, even as we need to meet the moment. We recognize we're doing it as a real fiscal constraint.
Trick is not to catch that device on the edge there, I guess.
Yep.
In Ottawa next week.
I can lean it back.
Good job. Lost it.
Quebec Finance Minister Eric Trudeau says
Oh, there we go.
Canada Governor Tim Macklem to get an updated economic outlook as the country braces for a potential recession. Karina Roman, CBC News, Toronto.
The United States and China are in the midst of a diplomatic tussle over a balloon. It was spotted flying high above the U.S. American military officials believe it's being used for espionage, adding that it appears to have the ability to maneuver. Pentagon spokesperson Pat Ryder dismissed Beijing's assertion that it's just a civilian weather balloon. U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken was supposed to travel to Beijing this weekend, but that visit has now been postponed. The U.S. military has ruled out shooting the balloon out of the sky because of the potential risk that could pose for people on the ground. And anyone heading to or from the southern interior tonight should be prepared for potentially dangerous driving conditions.
Tight squeeze there.
Very tight.
Looks like it's just making it.
I needed to lift it up and over a bit and would have got in.
Just a bit, right? Yeah.
That's all I needed, really.
You can't push it from the bottom. Twist it around back and forth.
Do that. I mean, it's just the outer shell, there's nothing major.
Yeah, yeah,
It's only kind of a cosmetic thing, really.
yeah,
As long as this is fine, and which it is.
yeah.
Concert tickets become so inaccessible.
There's nothing to hang on to very easily.
No, have to get a rope or something, I think.
awkward.
Very.
The
Very
Asian
awkward.
superstar herself, that is Beyonce, just announced that she's coming with the world tour, the Renaissance World Tour. This is a big deal if you can actually find tickets to this thing because
Just grab a rope or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, so I did try to get Madonna tickets, but I mean, like, I was kind of fucked up. I missed the initial announcement, yeah, and then so I saw the resale tickets, and it's like, you know, just half decent seats, yeah, at 3 to 6,000. I'm sorry, I know Madonna's the queen, but it's, and so is Beyonce, but I'm not going that like that. And of course, I am going to try to be at this Beyonce concert, as I'm sure a lot of us are.
you signed up for the pre-sale.
I did sign up for the pre-sale, but at the same time, like, you know, given what happened with Taylor Swift, given
And good luck to you in the Hunger Games, and good luck to me. I don't think you're entering these.
I'm not, I just choose to listen to my music in my car.
one of my tickets for $7,000.
Alright, next up I want to talk about M. Night Shyamalan's new movie. The movie called Knock at the Cabin. And it's a young family on vacation, and then everybody takes a break into their cabin. And gives them this ultimatum. Okay, you gotta have one family
No one said it was going to be easy.
First of all, incredibly M. Night Shyamalan. Does the movie look
I mean, like, almost and halfway there, yes. I mean, like, look, like you said, hokey premise. You know, like, M. Night Shyamalan, can hold your attention because that's what he's a master of. He's holding on to like the suspense, the conjuring it. What I appreciate about M. Night Shyamalan's movies is he's still a filmmaker who has like complete command of how to get closer, how to move the camera, how to move the scene, so that he still has maximum attention out of that scene, at any given scene. And where in this movie, you know, you're not sure.
What are you gonna do?
I'll get that camera and that's it.
Oh, is that right, eh?
Yeah.
That's the only way.
Solution, I think. Because I don't really want to jeopardize that or repeat that again, you know?
No.
It's not fair in the tank. I mean, it's just cosmetic, but still. Just have to notch it away a bit.
Just on that
The right side, I guess.
right side, eh? And do you
Just
have one?
replicate. Yeah.
Oh, we do.
I have a battery powered one.
Oh,
Yeah, and then I have battery power, another one as well, a mini one and a larger one. So,
good.
and I've I just spray water as I'm jackhammering. I won't get dust everywhere.
Keep the
Dust down, yeah. I have a spray gun that's soap spray. I'll just
Yeah,
spray
yeah.
it simultaneously.
Right.
That's about it, really. But I'd rather have gone through that than to have jackhammered for nothing, you know.
Yeah,
I think that was just worth it.
Looks like it has been jackhammered there originally.
Yeah, they dug a fine hole there.
Just needs to be a bit more, eh?
It's not we're not beat yet. We're not beat yet.
Okay.
Okay. You got that jackhammered out. What a bitch, I tell you. Let's see if we can. Let's see if we can fit this in.
See if you think it's in service of the revolution. It's taken from an article in the journal called Life by Judith Butler, professor at Berkeley University.
The move from a structuralist account in which capital is understood to structure social relations in relatively homologous ways to a view of hegemony in which power relations are subject to repetition, convergence, and rearticulation brought the question of temporality into the thinking structure and marked a shift from a form of Malthusian theory that takes structural totalities as theoretical objects.
Well, in that case, we would have drawn a note of agreement because I want to say also that I think all of this.
It's fine. Okay. Brass adapter here, 3/4 to a T. It's my cold. It's my cold coming in. Vacuum breaker on top. All my lines are marked. Flue is in. 3 screws on every joint. Right. So I'm just going to piece it together now. And we're going to piece that now together. I just have to press it. Susan. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Welcome to my office.
Yeah, really, I heard it was a big deal.
Yeah.
Gee,
Just when you think it was an easy day.
yeah.
We started doing a bit of home reno. But yeah, 1, 2, maybe 6 joints left, and that's it.
Oh, is that right?
8 joints. 1, 2, 3, 8.
Wow.
Is that part going okay? Or?
Yeah, cold is dry fitted now, so I can turn on the water.
Oh,
I can turn on the water now. Yeah, so I'm just gonna pipe in the hot, and that's it. And that's it.
Right.
I'm just gonna leave that lid off.
I might put it back up there with a screw, maybe, just for good measure. Yeah, just for good measure.
Just to have it.
Yeah, no problem. Any questions, Gary? Okay. No problem.
You know how much longer you'll be up
By the time I clean up and kind of test it and hook up the gas and everything, it'll probably be an hour. I'd say solid. I'd say.
Yeah.
I'd say. Yeah. Yeah.
One day for you.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's a short day. Okay.
You probably generally go to more.
There's a liquor. To notch that out. Notch that out right there. Just throw some more slack in the cold. This next. Oh yes, I think we're lighting. Ignition. Have it right there then. Right, well, she's in anyway, boys. The only leak we have is coming from here, though. That's the only leak we have. Doing the final checks here before I leave. Soap solution. There's nothing. I like to be a bit thorough with this shit. I don't like being on Judge Judy. It's the last place where I want to be is Judge Judy. Keep that right there. Can be a bit tricky sometimes. Sometimes it looks like they're getting bigger, but they're actually kind of dissipating. A whole lot. That's all. So I'll probably come back and do this valve another time. It leaked when I turned the water back on, actually, would you believe it? And then these, gonna upgrade these to stainless steel, braided. Then I had to cut that notch out there to give me that bit of slack. So I could line this cold up. So I cut that with the oscillating tool. I just